record on this computer. Yes, now
Okay.
started, sir.
So as we send you our website address, wintechedu.com, as you click on our website address, this is the home page of our website would open up. So as the home page is opened up, can you see, all of you see the home page?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So as you see the home page,
Yeah.
you see in the menu bar. In the menu bar, you see after entrance login, there is a beard and MN. Is it? You see option over there?
Yes, yes.
You know. So as you click on the option MEd, you have to click on the option. Since you all MEd students, you just click option on the MEd. So as you click on the MEd, you will have overview about your program. So there are different options given here. If you see the overview MEd, in the drop down, there are I think 5-6 options. You have to go in the last option, that is the registration form. Can you see it over here?
Yes.
So as you click on the registration form, the pop-up would open up. Click here for the registration form. So as you click on the registration form, it will lead you to a new page. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see the new page that's opened up as you
Yes.
clicked on the registration form?
Yeah.
Are you able to see this page now?
Yeah,
So
yes.
there are 3 windows
Yes,
that
sir.
will open up under this in this page. There are 3 sections will open up. The first section is beard
Beard.
course Punjab University Patiala. Second
Yeah.
one is MEd course Punjab University Patiala, and third one is a beard Kurukshetra. So since all of you are enrolled under MEd under Punjab University Patiala, so you have to just go below, just drop down, drag below. In the second window, you will find the option sign up now. Can you see the option here, sign up now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you have to click on the sign up now option. So as you click on the sign up, the new page would open up. Can you see the new page?
Yes.
The
Yes.
form has opened up. So this is a form, consultancy cum coaching form, beard MEd. So this is a form which you got to fill in order to have access to all the study material which will be uploaded on our e-learning web portal. Am
Our
I clear
LMS.
so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as the form is open, you see the first section is the course details. Now, since all of you are enrolled under Punjab University Patiala, so by default, the name of the university and the program would come. You see it here, no? By default, you don't have to fill it. As you just click on the sign up button under that particular window. So now you are under Punjab University Patiala. The course is MEd. Now, in the section 1, you have to choose the session. So all of you are enrolled under the session 21 and 23. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, in the fourth option, you have to go in the buy course. So in this one, as you click, there will be a drop down. You will find 2 options: full course rupees 19,999 and semester wise. So you have to click in the first option, full course rupees 19,999. Clear? So as you now you come in the second section. Okay, second section is okay. Now you have to come in the login details. So here you could like create any user ID and password. Now, for example, I'll give you a demo. For example, I'm creating a password of Anaya.
Samuel,
Yes.
sir, clear that no need to pay. Already they have paid the amount now.
Yeah. So I just want to bring it to your notice, like, you know, for example, the money that showed here, full course, this is being paid already by you. This is our coaching fees which we take, which is included in your the fees that you pay to us. This is for the formality which you have to do it on the form, but the fees has been already paid by you. Am I clear?
Yes.
So you don't have to make any further payment. The payment has been already made. This is for you to have an access. So this we are bringing to your notice. Now coming back to login details, like for example, I'm giving you a demo. I am putting here the name Anaya. Anaya, I'm creating a user ID. Anaya12. Fine. Anaya12 is a user ID, and the password also I'm going to keep it the same. Anaya12. Fine.
Sir, 1 2 3
Now,
कर दो. Anaya 1 2 already है.
Okay, 1 2 3. Okay. So I'm creating the password Anaya 1 2 3. All right. So now I put the name Anaya here. Name, father's name is Samuel. Date of birth, date of birth, I'm just putting any date just for the reference. Okay, female. You put the number over here, 82643927 clear. Put the name here. Is it clear so far? So all the general details are to be filled. Your student name, father's name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, and your email. Is it clear so far?
Samuel, email,
Yes, sir.
email में 1 2 कर दो, otherwise वो आ जाएगा already existed है ना.
Okay, fine. Okay,
1 2 कर
fine. All right. Great. Now the last, this is the address. So we are filling an address here. G block, city is Ludhiana, and select the Punjab, pin code 141012. Okay, so now as we are done with the address details, after the address details, we move to the last option, that is a select payment method. So you have to click on this option here, online payment. As you click on the online payment, this online payment pop-up would open up, but you don't have to bother about it. You just click on just close it. Fine. As you close it, and then you find that your final the step is create account and checkout. Is it clear so far? So as you click
Yes,
on the
sir.
create account and checkout, so this is would open up. Okay, so now thanks for the registration. So registration has been completed. Fine. Now Anayas account is created. Now if I go to Anayas account over here, I'll just go back to again my account. So this is the Anayas. So as your account is, so this is your profile is created. Anaya, embed course, session, and mobile number and email ID, and this is your profile. Now after the profile, you have to go on the online, in the my account. There are different options about web portal, my profile. You have to go in the third option, online study material. Is it clear so far?
Yeah.
So as you click on the online study material, your 4 semesters would open up. Semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, and semester 4. So now we are in the semester 1. You have to click on the semester 1. So as you click on the semester 1, this would open up. Now we are not able to have access to any of the video or study material because you have created the user ID, you have created your account, but it is not active from our end.
24 hours
So
में
now,
होता है active.
from our end. So here you see, please upgrade course to view the semester wise. So like for example, after creating the account, you have to either send us the screenshot of it, or you just let us know that we have created the account. Kindly give us the access from our side. So from our admin end, we'll give you the access to it, and then you'll have the entire Karimnaw material. So now I will show you another account. I will show you the another account which has the login details of the image. Fine. So if you have the complete access. All right, I'll just give you 1 minute. I'll just log out this one. I'll just create another one. I'm logging with another one.
सर होम पेज से करो सैम, होम पेज से सैम,
Yes.
सैम होम पेज से करो where he is to admit.
So I'll go the home page on once again. So after you have created your user ID, you have got access from our side. Then you have to, as you open our website, on the main page you come. On the top right, you find 3 options: college login, student login, and fee transfer. Can you see these options? 3 options over there on the top, on the right side. So you have to click on the student login. So as you click on the student login, same user ID and password that you have created, you have to fill it after getting access from us. Now I'm going to put it here, this one. So this account already has an access. So this will have access to all the study material. There's some disturbance coming from Sister Letty. Sister Litty, can you please mute your mic, Sister Litty? Litty Holy Family. Okay. So now you have to go again after you have to go on the study material again. As you click on the study material, again you find the 4 semesters. You click on the first semester. Now you have access to all the 4 papers. You could see earlier you have created the account, but you were not able to have access to all the papers. But now after getting access from us, you will have access. Now I will just give you an example. I will open the first paper we were discussing today, the philosophy of education. Paper 1, philosophy of, I just clicked on it. So under philosophy of education, all these various topics would come. Like today we have discussed philosophy of education, concept, meaning, nature, and scope. So this is what we have discussed today. So what we have discussed today, the PDF note and the PPT notes would be available here. You can view it here in the note section. Second section, the video section. And the same video which was done today will be uploaded here. You will find the video and the related videos of the philosophy of education in this section. Now, if in case you want to see how much you have grasped from today's class, there is the MCQ option. You know, now this is lack of time. I'm not taking detail. So there are 15 questions related to this topic. You could attempt and see how much you have grasped. You know, is it clear so far? Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I think this is clear now. Again, there's one more thing I want to talk to you. Under the semester and year, you will find the quick links. You see the quick links here on the left side? Quick links. In the quick links, you find the latest updates. So like, for example, I think all of you been asking me a lot of things, you know, about the syllabus, when is this thing happening, as the exam is approaching, last for the updates, date sheet. So all the latest information regarding your program, like for example, you click here on the latest update, you will find now we have not uploaded anything right now. So we'll be uploading regular updates about MEd, whatever information we are getting from a college and from the university. So you have to keep checking maybe 2 or 3 times a week this update so that you are updated with what's happening with your course. Are we clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay, now the second option is the syllabus. As you click on the syllabus here, you will find the latest syllabus of this 21-23. As you click it, we click over here, you will find the syllabus. You will find it over here. The latest syllabus will be open up. You can download it, the copy of it. And the third option is the last year paper. As you click on the last year paper, because you know, you will be making use of the last year paper. I'm just clicking here. I just not opening up. I think it got stuck.
No matter, Samuel. Let them create
Okay.
username and password. No
Okay,
worry.
so I think things are clear more or less. I think I have explained to you.
Semester 1 pe
I
aa jao,
think-
sir. Click on semester 1.
Not able to see. I think there's something happened with the system.
Your internet is little bit slow. No worries.
Yeah. So I think most of the things are clear so far. But still, if you have any personal query, you're not able to create the user ID and password. You
Samuel,
could connect with me.
Samuel, should I stop the recording because it has
You
recorded?
can stop the recording. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to stop.